Tips to combat fatigue and increase your vitality. How to combat fatigue and increase your vitality? We are living in a different society, or let's say we are living differently than we used to. Our society is full to people who are worn out and tired. Many of those people sit the whole day behind a desk and not consuming much energy. This life make us only more tired because without physical movements we have less energy. At least that is what I feel if I do not have enough moments or movements during the day. I feel more tired than when really physically working. Our society is not what it used to be. The society we live in today is full of people who are tired and worn out. Many of those people sit most of the day on their desk and therefore not using much energy. This life make us feel zapped and more tired because physical movement budgets energy. The activity running around in our work and then commute to our home where we work more without the needed energy to accomplish these tasks. Weekends we stuck to gaming systems, television screens and spend little time in the fresh air to recover some of our color. We spend time wishing we had more energy. We take unhealthy shortcuts by downing Red Bull energy drinks to keep us going, not realizing that these drinks contain high amounts of sugar and caffeine that have landed many people in hospital emergency rooms. The energy drink industry, which nets an estimated 10 billion per year, is resulting in a rising number of patients, many of whom are young in being treated in emergency rooms or serious complications related to the high intake of caffeine in drinks like 5 Hour Energy, Monster Energy, and of course Red Bull. According to a report by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, visits to hospitals because of energy drink complications doubled from 2007 to 2011. 20,783 emergency room visits cited energy drinks as a primary cause of the health condition being treated, including headaches, anxiety, irregular heartbeats, and heart attacks. Many of us, even the overweight, eat diets filled with processed fake food that is not nutritious for our bodies. It just weighs us down and makes us tired and sick. Of course, there are natural effective ways which that you can combat fatigue and increase your energy and vitality. Some of these techniques and habits can also slow the process of aging. Learn some ways to fight fatigue. The only way you can determine if you are healthy is to visit your doctor and be sure that you have no problems with any diseases as chronic fatigue from thyroid disease, anemia, sleep apnea, heart disease to arthritis. Be sure there is nothing physically wrong. A lot of them can be reversed so that you can gain energy back. Pay attention to the medication you are taking. Many medications have fatigue as a side effect, and only a few of them have this side effect wear off after continued use. If you feel especially tired after starting a medication, talk to your doctor to see if anything can be done. Exercise. Many people think that exercise will make fatigue worse, but it is the opposite. You will feel more energized. Being physically active will boost your energy levels, but not to mention maximize the function of many of your body's organs. Exercise will help you lose weight, which can further significantly increase your energy. According to the President's Council on Fitness, Sports and Nutrition, less than 5% of adults participate in 30 minutes of physical activity each day. More than 80% of adults do not meet the guidelines for aerobic activity that is known to increase energy and vitality, especially as we age. Yoga is one exercise that has been shown to improve confidence, lessen fatigue, and clear the mind. Many types of yoga are ideal for just about any fitness level. Yoga has been found to be helpful by research in men and women over the age of 65 who generally have a great problem with fatigue. Dehydration. Don't get dehydrated. Keep always a water bottle near you. Fighting dehydration will give you more energy. Research of athletes has shown that being dehydrated saps the energy from their activity. Even if you are not athletic, staying hydrated with water will give you that added bit of energy you deserve. Sleep. Get enough sleep is very important to fight fatigue. The best way to get enough sleep is to go to bed early and get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep. In one 2004 study, it was found that people who got adequate sleep were more vigorous and reported less fatigue. Naps are other ways to freshen up your energy level. Try for short naps no longer than 30 minutes. Any longer than that, and you will have difficult sleeping during the night. One study showed that a nap followed by a small quantity of caffeine, such as a 5-ounce cup of coffee or tea, can restore your energy even more. Supplements. Dry omega-3 fatty oils, fish oil capsules are good for you in many ways. One way, as shown by a 2009 Italian study, to boost energy and have quicker mental reaction times is to take fish oil capsules containing omega-3 fatty acids. The capsules are restored physical vigor. Circadian rhythm. Become aware of your personal circadian rhythm. Every person is different in questions of when they have the most energy. Please find out you're a morning person or a night owl or work with it instead of against it. If you have especially demanding activities to do, choose to do them when you have the most energy to work. Lose weight. Don't carry around with you extra weight. Extra weight can be exhausting, and the only way to rid yourself of that exhaustion is to start a healthy exercise and diet program that will help you shed pounds and feel more vigorous. There are no specific diets that work any better than creating a calorie deficit and working out at least 30 minutes per day. Even if you do only a 30-minute day walk, I have noticed when walking every day at least 30 minutes that helps me a lot staying energized. Eat smaller meals. Large meals will rip you of energy because the body needs to use a lot of energy to digest them. Think about the time you ate a buffet where everyone naturally eats too much food versus a meal that included a salad. More likely than not, when you left the buffet, you felt exhausted and wishing someone would wheel you out of there, versus the energy you felt after a raw whole food meal such as a salad. Small and frequent meals will keep your blood sugars from fluctuating, giving you steady amounts of few food energy throughout the day. That's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe and push thumbs up that you like the video, that more people will see the video. Thank you again for watching and have a good time. Bye bye.